killed by heartless gunmen on Wednesday night. The teenage girl was shot at close range around 7:15 p.m. on Lakudu Road in Castries.
This is the worst murder that happened in St. Lucia in 2024, and I am not gonna let the year end and not talk about this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Now I see the police them. Oh, they have 73 new police. They keeping feds and treats in neighborhoods. The Prime Minister giving people $500 bonus and a whole bunch of things going on. But how come the entire John public knows about this? They know everything. They know the policeman, ex-policeman that used to sleep with the 15-year-old little girl. They know said Tis was sleeping with her amongst other people, and they know that she was hanging with Tis, this other dirtbag, and even cut butt, Frosted Flakes, lean back brother have connection to this case. So I can't understand how the police cannot get any traction in this case. Now listen to what this man said.
When I was coming home, I heard the shots bursting, so I ran home to see what going on. And when I reached, I see she on the ground, lifeless.
Now, that right there is a very open-handed, honest statement. You hear what the young man said? He was coming home from work and basically hear a barrage of gunshot. By the time him touch upon the little block or the little lane, him see the girls spread out. Now, you want to tell me that nobody in St. Lucia knows anything about this? And nobody, or anybody, I shouldn't say nobody, bad grammar, or anybody cannot help in bringing forth justice for this young lady. She is only 15, 14, 15. She is a baby. And nobody, and it's Christmas, gonna sit down underneath on a Christmas tree with other, and this mother have to deal with this. You are telling me that nobody in the entire island see and can give some information on this?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
No, that I'm laughing, not funny, is very strange. But me really want to talk to the man them out there where I go on and I do that thing. Why don't you guys push this person out of on a crew and group who kill a little baby girl? Why don't you guys, can you guys be so cold? Don't you have mothers? Don't you have sisters? Don't you guys have cousins, girlfriends? Why would you guys allow somebody to use phone gun and kill this little girl and nobody stepping up? a good gangster and push him out to the police, push out the people, them who do this. Una can't a step and have man a kill baby and a roll with uno. Una have man tag with uno and the man them a kill innocent kids, young girls. Una no bad man and it's gonna be a mark on all of y'all. So you see that one bad apple that in the gang or in our organization that killed this little girl, you guys need to push him out, because what's gonna happen, you guys are tarnished and it's straight bad luck and destruction for uno. And not only that, that man, when him get catch on his own, he's gonna implicate all of y'all. You understand? Plus police have ballistics of the gun. So this is a no-win situation. The only win-way situation for this is to push out the person who shoot this young girl. And at that me I beg the man them for do. Una have mother, brother, sister, father. You understand? Una have auntie, nieces, granny. You understand? Daughters. And una go allow this. There is no way me could have tag and a roll with some man and them take my machine and go shoot 15-year-old bumbleclad little girl. I dead them would have dead and would have pushed them out. You understand? The government, the police them need to offer money to the people them, so the people them can feel good for come and give you information. So the whole thing topsy-turvy. But like me say, I cannot let this year go by and end and I don't talk about this little girl. So I hope people, when they see this video, call me with some information, call the police. But listen, make we catch that one here, man. Let's catch this one. Let's catch this criminal who do this act and use this criminal as a poster boy for acts like these, so people and criminals can never do this thing again in St. Lucia. Let's catch him, people. Okay? Look at the screen right there in front of you. That is Jarvis. And you know what I'm telling you, a shocking thing right now. You see those two pictures side by side? That's the same person. The one on the left is when he was a younger guy and not as fat and blood clot overweight. The second one, that's him on the right, that's him in prison. So that's his prison picture. Javis, your name a call up in a Batman thing, dog. You understand? And your name is linking with Smokey and some other man. It's like it's a Batman cabal. You understand? So Jarvis, your sword fight on a par with the man them, and a lot of people is upset. This is the alleged information going on out there with my intel telling me. Jarvis, your name a call in a Batman thing. All your woman boss you. The girl where you have pitney for baby. What is wrong with you gay Batman gangsters? The biggest thief in St. Lucia is a faggot. You can't believe that? Jarvis, who is that guy right there? Eh? Who's that guy? You know see my blow you a kiss? That you there, I blow you a kiss. My intel tell me that this guy right here is your alleged boyfriend. Now, Me I go on another picture of him. Look, he might give Jarvis a backway pose. Watch this. You see the backway pose where he might give Jarvis? Eh? Now Jarvis, what is going on in your circle? There's more, you know. Because from when me hear, you have a set of homosexual you hang out with. And me have picture of another one. Jarvis, who's that guy? I heard from the intel that this is your homosexual friend, bosom buddy, who rents cars for you. So it seems like you have a lot of homosexual friends. And nothing wrong with that, you know. The problem is, if you's a B-man, you for come straight out and stop walk around and deal with the woman them and make the woman them think, say, yo, you's a heterosexual. You understand? Now, this is my challenge to you, Jarvis. With all the rumors, cause I have more stuff, you know. But I'm not even gonna put that out. May I give you a challenge? I want you to come on social media and prove to me that you're not gay. And that's how I'm ending this. You hear me, Jarvis? I want you to prove to me and the world that you is not a gay bad man in St. Lucia. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.